How to get 75% off Temu coupon codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're going to find the search box, type in Temu coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to the very first one website option, couponfollow.com. Open it. You will be directed to the official website of it. Now in this website, you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Temu. Just scroll down and check out the offers. 40% off, 90% off, 82% off and many more. Here towards the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on it. So I have selected 75% off on my order. Now you can copy the code. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, click on redeem at Temu. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the website, go ahead and log into your account. Now you can select your items that you want to purchase and check out. In the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your purchase. With that, you're going to get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're going to find amazing offers for Temu. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to this one website, Groupon.com, as this is also the genuine website where you're going to find amazing offers for Temu. So this way you can easily get up to 75% off Temu working coupon code. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.